Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on ZEC. Take a look at the weekly chart. It has seen a massive move, and now we are sitting right at the all-time high resistance zone. The charts are showing a strong possibility of a double top rejection here, and the RSI is clearly overbought on the weekly basis, which is a huge warning sign that bullish momentum is running out. For this reason, I would be cautious around the $360 resistance. We could see a major correction if this level holds. We have a possible bearish setup in our charts, so risk is high here. The safer play for bulls would be a clean breakout and hold above $380. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.